How to check battery health status on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. So you will see device care is here, so click on device care. Now here, so scroll down and you will see second option is diagnostics, so click on diagnostics. So after click on diagnostics, click on phone diagnostics. So go back and click on stop diagnostics. So if you want to check battery health, so you will see first option is battery status. So click on battery and click on test again. So you will see battery status is test is good and normal. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can check battery health status on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.